I'm not tired.
Well, we went tubing and tubing. So my grippers are gripped out.
Grippers are toast.
Was that on or off?
I want the goggles on. You're blue.
That's funny because they're red.
Can you hear me?
Yep. You're recording, let's go. You stand up on the straightaway?
I'm gonna try.
Alright.
Don't get mad if I mess up your GoPro for falling.
No, we don't care about the GoPro.
Kickstand up.
Turn your switch on, you're good to go.
Never buy a silver GoPro.
Oh,
Never.
that's pretty bad.
They're made for your house.
Real hard, you got it.
does feel weird.
Right there.
Are you in neutral? Are you gonna run me over?
Yeah, they're cheap.
Put your feet up here.
Don't make me fall.
See where my feet are? Right here. I can't reach my brake or anything.
So if she uses an aimer, it'd be about right here, right?
Yep, right on the ball of your foot.
Right there in the middle of the peg. It does feel funny, but once you start riding, it makes perfect sense.
When you're jumping, it makes more sense.
Yeah.
So look, when you stand up, in the air, see where my face is? And then you squeeze with your leg.
Yes, the squeezing part's very important.
And you don't have to squeeze all the time, just like when you're going over bumps or anything, that's when you squeeze, okay?
So when you're just going down the straightaway, you can be a little more relaxed, but keep your knees in a little bit.
Squeeze!
Squeeze! And it does make a big difference.
So they call that the center part of the bike, okay? So if you think of those pegs as the center of the bike, so if I put you up on a log, right on that, where it would rock back and forth, and you were to stand right here, all you have to do is lean forward and then drop your front tire. Lean back and go to your back tire. Just a little tiny movement.
Kind of like that stand we got at the house.
Forward or backward. That's how you control your bike.
So if I go back, then I'll flip backwards?
If you hit a ramp real fast, maybe.
Yeah, you'd have to really hit it hard on that little bike.
You're not worried about that yet. He doesn't have it turned up enough.
You'd have to be going really fast.
All right, stand up.
Stand up.
Ready? Stand up.
Please.
You
No,
got it.
no,
I got
no.
you. Stand up.
What are you doing?
So like the pros, they practice. They'll put their kickstand up all by themselves like this, and they'll practice doing.
That's what I was practicing, Monce.
You know, they'll do it all by
She
themselves.
goes, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not very good at it.
Learning balance. You got it? Now hold on.
They'll
Look this way.
pump their
Look
back
up.
around and
Chest forward. Oh, see, there's what they were talking about.
right there. Now, arms out like this.
I'm scared.
Hang on. I got you.
Just like this.
Let go completely.
Box your arms out. Put
Let
your
go
elbows
completely.
Forward,
Let go completely.
like this.
Hey, somebody said to do a triangle and then bring it straight down to the handlebars.
Just do this right here.
Mhm.
Pretty close.
Yep, now she gotta stand up and she'll have it.
Now stand up. A little forward. Look up though. That's what's messing it all up. Because you're not on your you're not on your phone.
Hanging on really tight.
Got it. Look at him. Look.
Elbows out.
He's balancing.
Like this.
I'm on my kickstand.
Like,
Oh.
relax.
Oh.
Okay, see? If these are more in, that's one thing I did learn. I've been practicing. Even though it's hard to remember that when you're riding.
But also,
I can't
if you
see.
only use these
this up.
fingers right here, your hands won't get tired.
Oh, yeah.
So a lot of guys do this. and
Oh, yeah.
They white knuckle it. I use these fingers. You relax it, and I control my brakes with these fingers. So look,
Yeah.
I don't even wrap my finger around it. I just throttle.
Throttle?
Because remember, these are controls. They're not for steering. Your legs are for steering. This is for controls. See, I can push either way right here like this. I'm pushing, I'm not pulling, I'm pushing. Throttle, brakes, I got it all right there.
Dad.
I got you. If you're gonna practice falling, right now is the best time. You want to?
Yeah, you're doing good. When you're going, it feels more comfortable.
I don't want to.
And then whenever you take your corners, whenever you want to turn real sharp, you want to sit way up here. You slide forward, leg out. That's what this ramp right here is for. You want to be as far forward
No,
as you
one
can
foot,
when
not
you go
both of
around
them.
the corners.
Which way you practicing? Which corner? All right, put this foot on. That foot on.
Yep.
This
left
foot out.
Just like that.
And then you'll feel kind of like this. I got you. Well, don't yank. You will make me drop you.
Lean when you go fast.
This side.
And then when you give it throttle, back tire will come back. Whoosh.
Yep.
I did one real nice one right
Yeah,
there.
I know. I was behind you.
So if you sit back here, and you turn and you give it gas, all your weight's back here, it'll throw your weight around and it'll make you spin out. That's why you slide up here and put all your weight on your front.
Maybe I should wear your GoPro so you can see yourself.
No, I'm good. I don't want to see myself. I want to imagine how good it is. I don't want to see how bad it is. All right. First lap. Remember your feet. And then we'll try to remember the next step.
These feet?
Yep. Where do they go? Now, where do they go? On the pegs. You're good. Keep doing it.
Don't forget to slide forward. You don't want to sit that far back.
Oh, yeah.
Further forward you are,
Oh,
the more
no.
control you got.
All right. Let's just practice your feet. Ooh. See that?
She was balancing.